The Supreme Court's decision making same-sex marriage the law of the land means big financial changes for gay and lesbian couples. Lynn Smith asked money expert Ted Jenkins of Oxygen Financial to break down some of the financial benefits for those new married couples.
First up, let's talk about Social Security. This is a big one.
Yeah, I think so, because some of the lower earning spouses out there that do normally qualify for their own Social Security can now qualify for one half of the higher earning spouse's Social Security. So this can add some extra income to the family. Now let's think about the flip side. If you get divorced and you've been married for 10 years, now you can qualify for a spousal benefit. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but they can also get a lump sum death benefit of $255 as a spousal benefit. So they'll qualify for some of those extra benefits now, which I think is a boon from this ruling.
And what about estate planning?
Well, look, it was really difficult for same-sex couples. They had to jump through a lot of hoops before, but now assets should pass pretty easily from one spouse to the other, whether you have a will or you don't, although I recommend to get one. And that will make it a lot easier for same-sex couples. I think there's some significant trust and estate planning for high net worth same-sex couples that will come about this, and they can get involved in making medical decisions now, which is great.
Yeah, speaking of that, let's talk about health insurance. Often a big deal for couples getting married because sometimes people that are uninsured can hop onto their spouse's plan.
Well, that's right. And there's some good and bad around this, but 2/3 of the Fortune 500 companies already recognize domestic partners in their health insurance plans, but now you cannot deny spouses in the plan, which means that if you have combined health insurance, that could save your family some money. I don't know what they're going to do with domestic partners, though. Big companies might knock that off the plan, which could be bad for same-sex couples that don't get married. More importantly, if you have a health savings account, this could actually be a penalty. You put away less money as a married couple into a health savings account than you could as two individuals.
So there's always a downside. Okay, let's talk about income taxes, because obviously this impacts a lot of married couples.
Yeah, is this a good thing or a bad thing? You know, depending upon the state that you live in, you might save some money in state income taxes. What I can tell same-sex couples, you're probably going to save some money by filing one tax return versus two. The federal level is very, very tricky. It depends. Should you file married jointly? Should you file married separately? Or is it financially better for you to stay single? That's a calculation a lot of same-sex couples are going to need to be able to do. And most importantly, now you can gift as much as you want to your spouse. Before, it was only limited to $14,000, but now on an unlimited basis, you can give as much as you want to your partner.
So some financial benefits, some not so much. Ted Jenkins, always great to have you. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.